Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, how to get started, where and when to apply, drawbacks, and the different considerations before choosing this chemical. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Sylo is a 25.4% Cypermethrin Emulsifiable concentrate insecticide. This product is a synthetic pyrethroid that works by interfering with the insect's nervous system. Sylo controls many different species of insects, but we typically recommend it to control fleas, roaches, spiders, and wasps. Before using Sylo, be sure to use proper personal protective equipment, or PPE. You can mix Sylo with water at a varying rate, depending on level of infestation and targeted pest. Always follow label directions for proper mix rate, and do not over-apply. Overuse of the product could make it less effective. It comes in an easy-to-use, unique tip and measure bottle. Make sure both caps are tight and tip the bottle over. Use the slanted lines and tip the bottle back until you have the required amount. Add water to your sprayer and then add the chemical. Agitate your sprayer and you're ready to apply. Sylo is typically used as an outdoor broadcast spray, but it can also be used as a barrier spray around structures, including around windows, around doors, along eaves, and any other entry points, such as weep holes and where electrical and plumbing penetrate the wall. Sylo can even be used to treat for termites. You can apply Sylo with either a pump sprayer, hose-end sprayer, backpack sprayer, or a spray rig for large volume application. Apply Sylo during calm days where rain is not in the immediate forecast. Keep all pets and people off the treated areas until dry. Sylo has a residual of up to 90 days. We typically recommend spraying quarterly for preventative control. Sylo is not an instant kill. Once the insect comes into contact with the chemical, it can take up to 20 minutes for it to die. Depending on your target pest's life cycle, you may need to reapply in 14 to 21 days. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. Typically, you'll need a growth regulator and bait or dust for complete control. For each insect, we have come up with treatment methods that we guarantee 100% to work. Click the card on the top right of the screen to get more information. Because Sylo is an oil-based emulsifiable concentrate, it will have an odor, could potentially stain vinyl surfaces, can burn vegetation if sprayed when temperatures are over 95 degrees, and does not work well on porous surfaces such as brick or raw wood. If any of these are a concern, check out Reclaim IT. This liquid concentrate does not have these drawbacks and it treats similar pests.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.